Good morning, another new day here in Greece, and we're on the final stretch of this part of the crazy paving project. We're going to make a ring around the tree. We've started to do that around this side here. It's looking like it's kind of taking shape. We need to go and get the pebbles for that soon, that we're going to infill the ring with, and then we're going to have the artificial grass coming up to meet this line right here. So it's just the area that's in front of the step left to pave, and then that's going to link into the ring that runs around the tree. So exciting times. Should be finished today. I worked out it takes around an hour to do a square meter, so probably got around 3 hours work. It's just before 8 o'clock now, so should be finished by midday. It's starting to get hot here at around 10, really hot, and the sun rises there and sets over there. So this area gets the sun all day. There's no real hiding from it. We had some shade under the olive tree when we were working there in the middle of the day, which was nice, but this area is going to be full sun. So let's get cracking and try to get as much done before it gets really hot. So this concrete, just as you can see, crumbles away into lumps. Sometimes you're lucky and you get a big piece that lifts. That's what I'm trying to do now, just chip away bit by bit until it's light enough and comes up in one piece. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, we really are coming up to the home stretch now. We just had to go and get another bag of powdered marble from a supplier, literally just around the corner. Really nice family. I want to put the link in the description. They're lovely people. He's just done us a half bag of cement and a bag of marble. So we're ready to go in with the top layer. We've got this sand and cement layer at the bottom, and we're going to go over the top with the marble, which is going to bond with the sand and cement. The marble is the thing that gives it that lovely bright white and smooth textured finish. So it's going to all start coming together now. We can roll out the grass soon and really start getting an idea of what it's going to look like permanently. So let's get cracking with that. The sun's beating down on it now, so we're going to need to get this down, get it watered, and get it finished. Let's go.
We're sticking the paving here, right at the edge of the step that leads into the house, for now at least, because we've run out of paving slabs. Eventually we do plan to continue all the way around the side walkway, this space just here, but that'll have to wait until we've sourced more slabs. And in truth, we probably won't tackle that in the middle of summer. It's just far too hot for heavy work like this. So it'll be an autumn, winter, or maybe even early spring job. As we approach the end of this phase of the project, we found ourselves with a fair bit of sand left over, but not so much of the marble dust. So we got creative. We built up a base layer using the leftover sand and white cement, and then, as you can see here, we applied a thin final layer made with our marble dust mix. This bonded beautifully with the base layer and saved us wasting any materials, plus it gave us the finish we were after. And this is how things are looking so far. We'd love to hear what you think in the comments. We're honestly so pleased with how it's all come together. Now there's just one last job left, framing the ancient olive tree with white stones.
Hey, you can see the bottom of the bag. This probably isn't the optimal tool to use for these kind of jobs, but I like using a flask build trowel. This feels nice to spread stuff around with this.
Stop this.
Huh? There. I could stand and stare at that olive tree all day, with the white wall behind it and everything looking like it's quite fresh. All I see now is the areas that need attention standing out. But it's all coming together bit by bit. But yeah, this olive tree just looks fantastic, doesn't it, with the white behind it. All right, let's get those stones on.
Yeah.
We're going to do the front first. Film the back way.
So exciting.
Look at it.
We started planning this project back home in the UK using an app called Smart Draw. It was deep into a grey British winter when we first sketched out a CAD drawing of how we imagined this space might look one day. So to see that plan coming to life now in real time feels pretty incredible.
Stuck in. Keep your hands dusty.
We actually filmed this part of the video in October 2024. At the time we had this idea to create a ring of white pebbles around the base of the olive tree, to make it really stand out and bring some different texture into the courtyard. We'd spent a while experimenting with Midjourney, generating all sorts of wonderful crazy paving ideas, and in so many of them there was that beautiful ring of white stones wrapping around the olive tree. This tree has been here for at least a couple of 100 years, and we knew we wanted it to be at the heart of the garden. It deserved to be framed and celebrated. We'll probably add some lighting around it at some point, but for now, we're just going to sit down for a minute and take in what we've created. Next week's video will show the entire project from start to finish. So if you've been following along, we'd love to have you back for that. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon.